Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the thermostat in a Dodge Avenger. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a suitable drain pan. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. Also, have your new thermostat and fresh engine coolant readily available for the replacement process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair, saving you time and effort. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Locate the radiator drain plug, which is usually at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Position your drain pan to catch all the fluid, then open the plug. Once the coolant is drained, close the plug. Next, carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing, often secured by a hose clamp. With the coolant drained and the hose disconnected, it's time to remove the old thermostat. The thermostat housing is usually secured by 2 or 3 bolts. Carefully unbolt these. Once the bolts are out, gently remove the housing, then extract the old thermostat and its gasket. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the engine and the housing to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal for the new part. Now, install your new thermostat. Ensure the spring side faces towards the engine block. Place a new gasket, then reattach the housing, tightening the 2 or 3 bolts securely but without over-tightening. Reconnect the upper radiator hose firmly. Finally, refill your cooling system with the correct type of fresh coolant, then bleed any air from the system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.